Hi folks, this is question 13. We need to write the width of the frame. That's the this side over here. So the 12 in the middle anyway, it's going to be that plus the x plus the other x. So it's just 12 plus x. And we know that's 12 plus 2x. Hence show that the length multiplied by the width is that. So the length is 18 plus 2x. The width is 12 plus 2x. We multiply everything out. 12 multiplied by 18 will give us that 216. 18 multiplied by 2x will give me 36x. 2x multiplied by 12 will give me 24x. And 2x multiplied by 2x gives me 4x squared. And you can see that it's going to turn in, if we add those two together, that will give you 60x. And I'm just putting 4x squared on the other side, just to make it look like the other one. And I'm putting the 216 on the other side as well. They're all being added together, so same thing. Right, the length multiplied by the width is 648. So we're just going to let what we got above be equal to 648. 4x squared plus 60x plus 216 is equal to 648. And we have to solve this somehow. And it's not a bad end to the paper because there's an x squared in it and there's an x term in it, we know it's going to be a quadratic, so we're going to end up using minus b formula, but we have to bring across the 648 first and subtract it. 4x squared plus 60x plus 216 minus 648 is equal to 0. If we do 216 minus 648, minus 432. And then it's minus b formula from there. So if you sub it in, it's minus 60 plus minus square root 60. 60 squared minus 4 times minus 432 all over 2 times 4. And we get minus 20.3. And the other one is .3. And if you look back at the question, because we're dealing with a length, so we're actually figuring out what the length from there to there is. So the x is, they'll want you to discount the minus one because the minus doesn't make sense ever when it's length you're talking about, when it's a distance that you're talking about. So remember, minus b formula always just gives you the two things that it could be. So you have to apply it to the question sometimes, so there might be a marker too going for that. That's it. That's all for this paper.